This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can open and check the About section on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app. Here enter the flying interface, then enter settings. Here you select the About category, and on it you'll find the drone's custom name, the Wi-Fi name, or its name for Wi-Fi rather, its model, the app version, the DJI Fly app version obviously, the aircraft firmware version. From here you can also check for updates and execute those updates if there are any. You can check the remote controller firmware version here. You can check and update the Fly Safe data, as well as get all kinds of serial numbers for your battery, for your aircraft or drone, the flight controller serial number, the remote controller serial number, and camera serial number. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.